these workshops, there's going to be 4. So this is the first in a series of 4. This one's a celebration of summer. We'll go on and do a celebration of autumn on the 12th of October, and then we'll do a winter, a spring, and hopefully I'll keep rolling round. So those of you that missed summer will be able to come back. So we're going to look at the season of summer. How does summer feel? What is it not? We're going to explore what the brand elements are that support that feeling of summer. We've styled this beautiful space with not just seasonal flowers, but in a very summery way. And that can tell us a lot about colour psychology for brand designs, about how colour psychology works in creating a feeling and a cohesive sense. So I think there's something really magical about being in a room together. It's those connections that you make, it's the ideas that get sparked. It's coming to a beautiful place like this, being completely inspired and immersed in something completely different. I also think that you need the online courses. You need that opportunity to learn this stuff at your own pace. You need that chance to revisit it. You need that chance to kind of go away and do the exercises in your own time. But you also need to live it, and you need the feedback. And I think that's where the online course and the workshop work really well together, because you get that chance to kind of learn, reflect, consider, but then also to be inspired to practice and to really feel at a visceral level. So we wanted this to be something that people could just get an intuitive sense of.